What is going on, guys? It's Tony here from Rupes Details. So, look at this beauty. This is what we just got finished on this one here. And I want to show you guys the entire setup, but I want my client over here. Can you tell us who you are, where you're coming from, where you are going, and all that type of things, and talk about your business. What is exactly the plan for your business, if you don't mind?
Yeah, absolutely. My name is Nick Burton. I currently live in Charlotte, North Carolina, but my wife and my family and I are moving back to our home state of Colorado to start my detailing business. We're moving back home to be closer to family. For the last 5 years, I've lived in Charlotte, where I've worked for Joe Gibbs Racing in the NASCAR Cup Series as a race engineer. It's a lot of fun. I love my job, but it's a lot of travel, and it's hard on my wife when all of our family's back in Colorado and she's home with the kids. So we're moving back home to be closer to family and realizing my dream of starting my own business. And I've been passionate about detailing. My first job was detailing cars at 13 at a car dealership. So it's always been something I've done and loved. And the time is right to go all in and start my business. So I'm really excited. All right. And really happy to have help from everybody here at Rupes Details to help me get my dream off the ground.
I appreciate that, man. So yeah, if you don't mind, you can kind of give us a walkthrough, of your own setup. I mean, it's done, it's yours, it's amazing. I want to say it's a dream come true.
Yeah, absolutely it is. We'll start over here.
Yep.
So over here, we've got the 3500 generator, which is quieter than I even thought it was going to be.
All right.
And it's on this nice slide out here, which is, super nice, super smooth. Slide it right back in there. Then you've got this tray here to hold, an extractor or a steam or anything. You've got your vacuum, your air compressor. On the other side over there is the pressure washer. You've got your water tank in here with the water pump. You've got your quick disconnect for the hoses to fill your water tank or fill your bucket. Like, everything is so well thought out and so nice. And I couldn't be more thrilled with how this looks, man. In the back here, you've got your brush and glove holders. You've got your bottle holders. You've got your tubs here for towels, your toolbox. You got your power on a reel. You got your quick disconnect for a Tornador. Another one for your foam cannon, your vacuum hose reel, your air hose reel, and your pressure washer hose reel. All there, all easy to pull out, easy to reel back in when you're done working to make yourself, just quick and efficient. And it looks so nice, so professional, rolling up to a job site with something like this.
Amazing. And
then we come over to this side here. You've got your polisher holder. You can, hold your, 5-inch, 6-inch DA, your 3-inch smaller one. You've got your polishing pad holder. You can put your gallon chemical jugs in here.
Correct.
Access to your generator is back on this side to start it. Your pressure washer is up here, and it's, easy to pull out to do maintenance when you need to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But everything is just so well thought out. It's on this nice aluminum rack that's going to last forever. So there won't be any corrosion because it's all aluminum.
Correct.
If you do get things wet. I really liked the Rupes setup with the nice aluminum backing over everything. No exposed bars and things like that like you see with some other setups. It just looked so clean and so simple and nice. And I just couldn't be more grateful for their great work and making this come to life. Yeah,
I'm super happy on how this thing turned out, because the other thing that I have to mention, this is actually a black van, so the door jambs even match with everything else.
Yeah.
So, and the wrap is amazing. I love the way it turned out, and maybe you can tell us a little bit more about the wrap and the reason why, the wrap is like that.
Yeah,
that type of stuff.
So, like I said, we're moving back to Colorado, and this business is going to be based out of Colorado. I'm originally from Colorado. I'm passionate about my home state. I wanted it to have a little bit of a local business home feel to it. So I used the colors from the Colorado flag as my brand colors as kind of inspiration. And with that, I wanted a bold design for my wrap. I wanted something that was going to catch people's eyes, yet look, somewhat simple and clean.
Correct.
And so I worked with somebody to come up with this wrap design, and then I also decided I wanted it in matte too, because I didn't want the glare from a gloss wrap as you're driving by places to maybe kind of make it hard to see exactly what it was. So I went with the matte wrap, which was a little different, and I couldn't be more excited with how it turned out. It looks so good, and I'm so pumped.
Definitely,
and,
man.
It's unique and bold, and everything I was going for. So I'm really, really excited with it.
Yeah, man, definitely this setup, it really is amazing. Those rims from the 4RS, they are so nice, and they are the stock rims, right, from an RS.
These are the stock wheels from my Ford Focus RS, which is my daily driver.
Okay.
They're the stock wheels. They're direct bolt-on. They're the correct offset, correct bore size and bolt pattern and everything. And I had them sitting around. I was like, man, that would look so good on the van, and it would retain that OEM kind of look a little bit.
Correct.
But also, spice it up a bit, and I think it really did that. So I'm really happy with those and how they turned out as well, and how this van has come together. It's been a lot of work and a lot of little projects. We bought the van used, and it needed a little bit of work when we bought it, but I like work, and I like fun projects and doing things and making making things kind of my own and nice, and it's been a lot of fun so far, and your setup was the final piece of getting this put together. So
amazing.
I'm really excited.
Yeah, and one more thing, we can find you so far on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook.
Yep.
If you don't mind, tell us where and everything.
You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube at Mountainside Detail. YouTube, we're working on our first video. We haven't got anything up yet.
Actually, this is going to be the first video.
Yeah. And then you can find us on our website at www.mountainsidedetail.com. So all of our contact info is on there. You can start booking on there shortly. And if you have any questions, anything, you can DM me, text me, call me. But yeah, give us a follow along on our journey with this business, and thank you.
I really appreciate it, man. All right, guys, so I think that is a wrap on this video here. There is a few more shots of this beautiful, beautiful setup. I can be happier because this thing turned out amazing. And you guys let me know in the comment section down below. As well, comment, or let me ask you guys, what is your dream setup? Like, what colors would you like on the, on the doors? In this case, it's blacked out. But you guys can see that we kind of, give you guys options here at Rupes Details. Once again, we love aluminum. So everything is made of aluminum, even the bottle holders and everything, to prevent rust, stuff like that. But anyways, guys, thank you I really appreciate you guys for watching and supporting me as well by subscribing and giving us the like, same thing on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. You guys can follow us on any platform as a Rupes Details. You guys are gonna find us there. So once again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the support that you guys are giving us, and make sure to follow him, on Instagram, every platform as well, like he said. Thanks, give us a thumbs up. Questions on the comment section down below. Take care. I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.